Hey, welcome to this video of the lunar phases and everything that's interesting around that for the week of Monday, December 16th up to Sunday, December 22nd, 2013. It's full moon on Monday, December 16th, so take a peek outside and watch that full moon rising as the sun sets in the east, and of course it is a beautiful sight. This is the view of the full moon at 8 p.m. It will be hanging at 8 p.m. quite high in the southeast skies, so why not take a look? And it's shining all night. Full moon means it's opposite the sun, which means it rises as the sun sets and will be setting when the sun rises tomorrow morning. So it's really an all-nighter here for the moon. It's in the constellation Taurus at the time and slowly moving towards Gemini and getting closer to Jupiter, and that's the highlight this week. As the moon moves through the week, you'll see it getting closer and closer to Jupiter. So this is the full moon for December 16th on Monday. Let's move around and look at 8 p.m. on December 17th, Tuesday. And so let's put it at 8 p.m. Here we are, 8 p.m., around 8 p.m. on our view. It is closer to Gemini and getting closer to Jupiter in the sky, so you'll see the moon on Tuesday night, December 17th, with Jupiter shining to its lower left, shining quite brightly actually. So this is going to be an interesting view. If you have clear skies this week, why not take a peek a few minutes at the moon and Jupiter dancing around the sky all week, which is a very nice view for this week. As we go into Wednesday, December 18th, and once again around 8 p.m., we'll take a peek at the moon, now shining very close to Jupiter, and Jupiter being to its slightly upper left. And the moon is starting to actually show signs of really a waning gibbous phase, so it's slowly getting smaller. So that's the highlight. It's going to be in Gemini, and it's going to be very bright next to Jupiter. That's an also very bright star, so in the night sky it's going to be a really cool viewing, and this is going to be interesting to look at in the southeast skies, almost east. If we go at 9 p.m. on December 19th, which is Thursday, December 19th, at 9 p.m., because we'll have the moon a little higher in the sky. It now passed Jupiter, so Wednesday was really the best time to watch Jupiter and the moon. Jupiter being upwards, higher in the sky than the moon itself. So you'll see pretty much what it looks like here. And the moon phase being a waning gibbous, so you see that it's starting to lose its round shape and getting more into like an oval type shape as the phase is slowly now decreasing on the moon. So at 9 p.m. in the east, you should see Jupiter and the moon. If we go into Friday, December 20th, at around 9 p.m., let's put it even more a little later at 10 p.m. because the moon is really rising later and later in the evenings. You'll have the moon in Cancer and getting farther away from Jupiter into its really waning gibbous phase, as you see here. So this is pretty much what it's going to look like in our sky on Friday. On Saturday, December 21st, first day of northern winter, as the sun will be at its most southernmost point in the sky. We have our moon rising later and later in the evening, so it's rising around 8:45. So if you want to have a good look, more like 10 or 11 p.m. for the moon on that week. And sorry, you see it shining here, very close to a little star here. If we look at the star right here, if I can focus it, there's a little problem with the actual facts. It doesn't seem to give me much information on that star actually. So, but it's probably in the catalog. Here we go. It's a 3.5 star in Leo. So this could be interesting with binoculars. You probably might be able to spot this star and the moon really close together here. They're extremely close in the sky, as you see. So that could be something that you will be able to see in your night sky around 11 on the east, southeast at 11 p.m. And so as the night progresses, let's just take a peek at what happens to actually the moon and this little star. You see that the star, as the night progresses into Sunday, December 22nd, the star misses the moon but passes really close to its surface as viewed from Earth. So it's passing more in the northern section here. So it's pretty interesting to see that and to see. So if you have a want to do a nighttime of observation of the moon and that star, it's really an interesting little thing to watch. And finally, the moon on Sunday, December 22nd, rising in the east quite late, around 9:45 p.m. And so this is really getting into a we're getting closer to the actually the last quarter moon slowly. So that's going to occur next week. And so this is what it's going to look like if you look at around 11, let's put it at midnight and the night of Sunday, December 22nd into Monday. This is what it's going to look like in the east, southeast as a waning gibbous phase. So that's the moon lunar phases and not faces for the week of December 16th, Monday, up to Sunday, December 22nd, 2013. Hope you enjoy our videos, and if you do, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions, let us know. Maybe you have an astronomy question that you'd like to ask. Why not ask away and we'll try to answer. And hopefully you will have a good interest in watching the night sky, even if you have no instruments. It's always fun to watch the stars, planets, and moon dancing around the sky. And hopefully you enjoy our videos, and we'll come back to learn about astronomy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.